Alright, today I'm in shop. Right now I'm working on a F-150. Just want to show you guys something real quick. So it just got tinted. But that's not what I want to show you. Alberto did an awesome job tinting. Just pulled the window out, cleaned it up. So, when you go get your windshield replaced from a company that don't care about your vehicle, this is what happens. They damage it, and rust starts. Now, some of these I did because I had to remove a lot of this excess glue, like right here. Some of it's just not coming off. And up here. So make sure you use somebody who cares about your vehicles, otherwise you're gonna have more damage that I gotta fix. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So I got some primer and I gotta get rid of this rust real quick. It's not very much, it's a little bit, but it's enough. So be careful who you use.